Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain best MTU settings for PS5. Go to settings from top right, then click on network. Then go to settings, then click on setup internet connection. Then select your Wi-Fi network and press options button. Then go to advanced settings, then go to MTU settings, then select as manual. Now set the MTU as 1473 or you can set 1450. If you have good connection, set it as 1500, then go back and press the options button again. Then select it as 5 Hz if your router is near to you. Otherwise, set it as 2.4 Hz or automatic. By following these steps, you can fix lag and connection lost issues on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.